the former provincial secretary of the ANC in Gauteng, and of course the resident of Daveyton. We grew up hearing the name Caiphus. Was the leader of COSAS, and this is 38 years later. You know, we are seeing every family member smiling. I want to thank everybody who's been involved in this case, the prosecutors, everyone, and especially the family that hold the fort for 38 years to seek justice for Comrade Caiphus. This would have ended at the TRC had these guys were honest. You know, they decided not to be because they thought they can beat the ends of justice. But we are very happy that he could fight for himself, because you know the first guy who was sentenced to plead guilty said he could not sleep. You know, because Caiphus was busy pestering him. So we're happy that he had this revolutionary spirit to fight for the length of time. So I'm happy, man, to see the family smiling, because I've not seen them smile like this, and it means it has been a trauma for them and the family and their parents. So we're happy as the people of Daveyton, the residents of Ekurhuleni, the African National Congress at large, those who have served COSAS. We're happy for you know, the prosecutors, the cops, the investigators, everybody was involved in making sure that this happened. I want to say, Nangom, so it must happen to others, so that other families can have peace. Yeah, that's what I can say.